what's up? Just got new wheels. Super excited. They're Veristins ES9s. Oh, let's go over the details. First of all, I want to talk about the finish. So I wanted to switch it up from the gloss gunmetal I had before. I just wanted something different, something that would pop a little bit more. So this is called Hyper Black, and Hyper Black has like 3 different colors basically. It looks good in the sun, looks good in the shadows, and I'm assuming it has some sort of clear coat as well, but it looks great. And the inner barrel is painted black, so it gives you the nice, good contrast at different angles. So love the finish. So I'm running R888 Toyos, and this tire, hands down, best looking tire for this car. The sizing, 305, 35, 18s. Super meaty, super just aggressive. As far as grip goes, dry weather, awesome, they're great. If you're caught in the rain, yeah, you're fucked. So I'm running a spacer. The spacer's a 1/2 inch. In order to run a spacer, you have to run extended studs, and for the extended studs, so you can get your wheel on there, you have to get open-ended lug nuts. You know what they say, the devil's in the details. So one of the things that's highly overlooked, in my opinion, is the lug nuts. I decided to go with something that wouldn't pop as much. I wanted something that would blend with the wheel. Since the Hyper Black finish is kind of like shiny chrome looking, I wanted something that would blend with the wheel as well and not stick out. One of the best part about these wheels is the price. So I got them on sale. Usually they run about for like 1K, and I got them on sale for 750 bucks with tax and free shipping. That's definitely a selling point for me. For the cost, the finish is acceptable. Just make sure you check the wheels before you mount them. That way you could get it sorted with the company if there's anything wrong with them. So sizing, I went with a staggered setup. 10.5s in the rear, 9.5s in the front. I wanted that like just aggressive, thick muscle car stance, and this is what it is. It's great. The offset is +22 all around, and with that 1/2 inch spacer that I have in the back, it is now actually 10. So it just gives you that nice depth of the wheel, and the spokes just look better. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.